So when I say products, I'm talking about lines of credit, credit cards, like anything like that, loans or whatever, right? Those are products. So we want to get the most products we can get with that one inquiry. That makes sense? So I don't want to do one product, one inquiry. No, like if I let you pull my credit, I want to get at least to like a few things. So if I let you pull my credit, I want something in return. Otherwise, I'm finna get that hard inquiry off my credit. And you do not want to take a hard inquiry off if you actually did some kind of service with that lender or that creditor or whoever, because now you put that credit card or what that loan, whatever it is you got in jeopardy. They'll shut it down.